This is the sound of air raid sirens. This is the sound that Ukrainians hear multiple times a day. People have to go into shelters, into hallways. They have to leave stores if it happens during the day. Right now it's very late in my room, and I've been awakened by this sound. This is the new reality in Ukraine. Imagine the trauma that children feel to be awakened by this, and how parents feel and old folks who have to run back down to the bomb shelter. How would you feel if you were awakened by this every night?